Good morning, my fellow traders, and welcome back to Unk the Trader for another day in times with a beginning trader. All right, well, today was rather interesting. I found a stock. It was a good stock, but I still lost money. So let's get into it and let me explain. When I pulled up the stock this morning, it was on my scanner. And let's just pull it up here. It was on the scanner this morning. Okay. Now, the thing was, it didn't really have any news, but it was essentially a stock that was a continuation as far as, look at that, continuation of the actual news on overnight. Okay, so I'm thinking, okay, hey, it's got a little momentum. It's going to do what it needs to do, and I'll partake in it. Unbeknownst to me, that wasn't the case. Okay, I was watching the stock, and the volume was good, as you see here. Okay. Now I took the trade early this morning. It was about 4 o'clock, a little bit after 4 this morning. Now, as I was watching the stock, as I said, the setup was good. My initial game plan was to get into the stock at, let's see if it shows me here at, okay, here it is. It was an attempt to get in the stock at $2.96, and unfortunately I had a limit on it and I missed it. Okay. So when I missed it, because it was still moving, and it was down in this area here, okay, and I missed it. And the golden rule, which is what I did not follow, I chased the stock. Okay, so I missed it here, and as you can see here, if you look back, there is nothing back to the left, meaning it's open skies. So I'm thinking, okay, there's some potential here. We've got good volume. So I enter the stock here at 358. Thinking, okay, we can have a decent breakout. It did. It went up, and it went all the way up to $3.76. I was trying to hold for $4. And as you notice, the next candle, it shot back down. Now, that's my first mistake. My second mistake was I held on to it. I held on to this position for about 12 minutes, thinking it was going to come back. So that was another rule. If it's beyond your loss criteria or your floor, which in my case it was 10 cents, you need to just get out. I didn't. I stayed and held on. So my total loss for this particular one was a total of, let's take a look here. All right, total loss of 21 cents. Okay. So that was what I ended up with. I had to sell it at $3.37 for a loss of about 21 cents. So again, it wasn't the setup. It wasn't necessarily the stock. The momentum was fine. It was just me. I chased the stock, which is a no-no. You never chase a stock. And then once it got to my point where I said, okay, this is my loss, my max loss, I still held on to it, thinking it was going to turn around and come back. So that never happened, obviously. So I took a loss, a little bit more than I should have. So that's the lesson that I learned going forward, is that never chase the stock. And if you do chase it, and if it reverses on you, always stick to your max loss. Never think it's going to rebound, because that's where you end up, make a situation worse. So again, we lost on this one. Still up though, as you see, my win rate is 67%, which is not bad. 2 winners and 1 loss. I'm up a total of 12 cents now. 12 cents. But A profit is a profit. All right, so that's my lesson for today. It was an interesting one, but understand that this is, as I said before, this is my real trading journey at the age of 50. And as you know, you win some and you lose some. All right, so we'll keep pushing away. And my saying is, as you know, I'm not definitely talking about it. I am being about it. Hopefully, the next video, I will have a turnaround. All right, listen, thank you guys, and please subscribe. If you have any questions, concerns, you want to ask me anything, you want to talk about anything, just go ahead and reach out to me. Tell me your story. Have you ever chased a stock? Did you regret it? All right, thank you. Have a good day.